Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to remove taxes on Shopify. First thing first, go to Shopify and log in with your account and go to your admin home, which is Store Administration panel. In the left-hand sidebar, scroll to the bottom and click Settings. From the menu, select Taxes and Duties, then you'll now be redirected to your store's tax settings. Under Managed Sales Tax Collection, locate the Automatic Tax Calculation section and uncheck the box to turn off Automatic Tax Calculation. Now go to the region or country you want to edit and to exclude tax rates and select the option Collect Duties and Import Taxes at checkout. You can also delete or adjust specific tax rules depending on your setup. Now just click Save to apply your changes and go to your storefront and checkout pages to verify the tax included label is removed. And done, your Shopify store will display prices without the tax included message, giving you full control over how pricing appears to your customers. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.